Hello and welcome to Uniquely New Zealand, the show where I talk about anything and everything New Zealand. Today we're going to do something a bit different. Instead of talking about New Zealand, media, art, people, places, history, I'm going to put my mouth where my mouth is and make for you all a classic Kiwi dish, the Pavlova. Except, I'm not making a full-sized Pavlova, I'm making mini Pavlovas, and I guess I'm not really making it for you guys, because you're strangers watching me through the internet and not real people. Also, some people seem to think Pavlovas are Australian, but they're not, damn it, they're from New Zealand, okay? Pavlovas are not Australian! This recipe, which I stole from www.chelsea.co.nz/browse-recipes/mini-pavlovas, you'll need 175 grams of caster sugar. Fresh fruit. I've gone with strawberries because kiwi fruit sucks. 3 segregated eggs. Cream. Extra points if you get real cream instead of fake canned stuff. And mini chocolate flakes. I have no idea if these are available in your country, but if not, the recipe works without them. First, preheat your oven to 150 and line a baking tray with baking paper. Next, in either a ceramic, metal, or glass bowl, not plastic, beat your egg whites within an inch of their life. And then beat them some more. Once you've shown the eggs who's boss, add the caster sugar 1 tablespoon at a time, and keep beating until all the sugar has been added. Once it starts sticking to your whisk and goes like this, you're pretty much done. Take a tablespoon and spread them on a baking tray in circles. Place in the oven, turn down the heat to 140 and bake for 1 hour. While we're waiting for the Pavlovas to cook, we have some time to kill, so I'm gonna tell you everything I googled about Pavlova. The origin of the Pavlova is somewhat of a mystery, but the common story is that famous Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova was visiting Wellington, New Zealand on her world tour in 1926, and a hotel chef prepared her the dish. Ultimately, the chef decided to name the dish after her, making the Pavlova. While this is the origin story most associated with the dish, other sources suggest it could have come from Germany, America, or even Australia. However, Australians are just big fat liars, and we're not letting them take our egg dessert dish, damn it! Anywho, the record for the world's largest Pavlova has been held by Kiwi since anyone actually tried going for that world record. Back in 1999, New Zealand's National Museum, Te Papa, great place by the way, check it out if you're in Wellington, was about to celebrate its 1-year anniversary and decided to celebrate with the creation of the world's largest Pav, which they called Pavzilla. This record, however, was broken in 2005 by students of the Hawke's Bay Eastern Institute of Technology who dubbed their creation Pav Kong. But then some chef had to ruin this bit by breaking the world record in 2010 and not even giving it a funny name. I mean, the Pavlova was rugby themed, so that's cool. Also, it was for charity, so I guess that's good. Popular toppings for Pavlova include berries, bananas, mangoes, kiwi fruit, cream, and chocolate shavings. While it is most commonly a Christmas dessert, it is eaten year-round by both New Zealanders and Australians. But it's not Australian! After it's done cooling, take it out of the oven. Hopefully yours have been spread more evenly and have risen more consistently. What do you want? This is my first time doing this. Now simply decorate with cream, strawberries, and crushed up bits of flake. And voila, you've got a bit of kiwiana that you can actually eat. So maybe try this out for your Christmas dinner this year, because it's truly uniquely New Zealand. And it's not fucking Australian.